Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Sembut Menteri Rang Bak Kejala Bak Preston Tensong ulaong baki pat bak ki ihi haki tiviru ya ke jingye keren halor ke jingkiu dor ki Marbam ya ke ba om tang ke Sorkar jela ke kendo jingye hen rewat ke Sorkar India ru kerang keren halor ke jingye ula ainuk sa baki Marbam kum ka pyang bam kim dei Kiba mi na ke jela hen rei hab ban shem na shabar jela bat ya ke dor om la ban keno ya ke Sorkar jela.
I think central government, I think you have seen it even in TV. This subject has to be discussed not only in the state, in the level of the state government. It should be with the central government too. Because that is important. Because see, I'm telling you, if you give an example, like mustard oil, are we increasing it from here? Are we producing it in the state? No. We get it from outside. So you see, that's what, don't just blame to the state government. Because there are certain issues where we need to talk to the central government. That's what the central government, it seems right now they are working out on that. We have done it already. And not only state of Meghalaya, other states also they have taken up with the government of India about this issue. This one CHYC, they met me and then they have given their suggestion that district monitoring committee should be again reactivated. Not only the district, even the state level monitoring price committee should also be reactivated. So this is what they suggested, and we have accordingly directed all the deputy commissioners to reactivate these committees and monitor these issues on a regular basis and solve the problem in the district level.